Hello everyone, today we're gonna talk about how you can generate AI video for free in the cloud with Google Colab, using different AI models like 1, 2.2 and even LTX. Well, first of all, let's go to Google Colab and change the runtime type. As usual, you need to choose Tesla T4 GPU. Now we need to run step 1. For installing all dependencies. Take about 5 up to 10 minutes to install everything. And if you don't know what does it mean, we're running our video model in the cloud using Google Cloud Compute, which is absolutely free. And every day you're getting about 4 hours of free GPU usage. I must tell you that there is no miracles, and the generation time of your video is not perfect and strongly depends on your GPU. In case of free tier of Google Colab, it takes about 15 up to 20 minutes, and depending on the model, even up to 30 minutes. So the quality at the same time is not perfect. It depends on specific models and parameters and your patience. The models is constantly updating, and this repository also will be updating. So you need to experiment with that. Feel free to do that. Don't use only my recommendation. They might be outdated in just several weeks. Next step is download LTX 2.3 models. Well, currently these models is not gonna work, unfortunately, not because of GPU consumption, but because the amount of models is exceptional and it took a lot of free disk space. So I wasn't able to fit it in a free version of Google Colab, but probably I might do that. So because of that, we need to miss this step and launch 1.2GP. Okay, we've got our URL, follow the link, and now we have our 1.2GP interface. The interface of 1.2GP might look not so user-friendly and quite intimidating, but it only seems so at the first glance, because after you getting to understand how it works, which model you're gonna use, it will be quite simple for you. But if you're familiar with 1.2GP, it's not a problem at all. You can run here a lot of models, technically in theory, but actually it strongly depends on GPU capabilities. Well, if we talk about 1.2.2, we could run only 5B models. Unfortunately, there is no other option. Here we can see 2 models: to image to video, 5B, Lucy Edit, Kiwi Edit, and so on. As I said, we could use only 5B models. If you're not familiar with particular models, it's not a problem, because here is all needed information about this specific model. In our case, we're gonna use basic 5B models text, image to video. Here we should choose fast one. Let's try to generate something. Let it be something very original. A dancing cat for 80p resolution, and number of frames, let it be 3 seconds video. It will be 72 frames as I understand. Before running our generation, let's go to the configuration and check the parameters of performance. We need default memory profile, and it should be profile 5, very low ROM and low VROM. Unfortunately, only this option is available for our usage. And let's run our generation and press generate button. The first try of loading the model take a lot of time, because we need to download all models and needed components. So in case of Google Colab, it took about 15 minutes, I think. And after all of that, we start to generate our model. Alright, in the output we could see that new video has been saved to path. At the same time, in the interface we can't see our video. It's not a problem actually. Sometimes the interface is not so stable and reliable, but we could find our video right here. Press this button here, files, and find 1.2GP and output. And here is our video, and just download it. This option is much more reliable for loading your files. And let's have a look what we've got here. Okay, was it cat? Yes. Was it dancing? Yes, and everything is great. So we have our video generated in just 7 minutes, I think, and we're still waiting for our next video to generate for some reason. If you want to run a different model, not only one, but For example, a video model or image model, I would recommend you to delete your runtime and run it once again. But there is still an option to just stop this cell and execute exit command. We restart our runtime. At the same time, we're gonna save all our files and requirements, models and repositories. Everything will be saved. Alright, we've got the link here. Follow the link once again. Unfortunately, in case of LTX, we don't have too much option here, because the LTX model is very big and required enormous amount of video memory and even disk storage. So we have only one option, to be honest, LTX2 and 19B parameters. And we need to choose a distilled version. There are actually quantized versions, but I haven't used them, so let's try to use only distilled for this time. We could start our video with image, continue video, or text prompt only. Well, let it be. Let it be just a simple dancing cat. But I would recommend you to use guideline for better prompting LTX, because it's really important. So we must choose 480p resolution, because once again we don't have too much memory. And let's change the length of the video. I think 4 seconds will be enough. Press generate button. Let's check our queue. Yep, we've got our video, our prompt in a queue, and we're starting to download all needed models for LTX. Surprisingly, but we could use LTX 2.3 even in a very fast mode. But unfortunately, we don't have ability to use encoder through API in a 1.2GP as we have in a desktop version of LTX. So I would recommend you, if you have powerful GPU or even OK GPU, I would still recommend you to use LTX desktop, or if you have a lot of time and patience, ComfyUI is also a great option and even much better. Okay, after 39 minutes, we've got our result. For some reason, there is no any cat. Alright. Probably there is a problem with my prompting. For sure. Still, at least it works, I think. As you can see here, there is all log information, and the generation time took about 40 minutes, but the real generation, I think, will be at least 30 minutes, I think, because the downloading process took for a while also. And as you can see here, the amount of free disk is very limited. This is the reason why we can't use LTX 2.3 models. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.